So today is what?
Last day in London. But yeah, gonna make the most of it.
Yeah.
Where we going?
So we're going back today. We're gonna drive back, but we're gonna go for lunch at the Alchemist. I can't even say the name of the place.
I think probably Alchemist.
Alchemist. Yeah. So we're gonna go there, get some drinks, get something to eat. He's gonna get the mocktails, but I'm gonna get the alcoholic stuff. And then he wants to go to Westfield, but he doesn't want to go to the one in the town center. Well, not town center, what, center of London,
city center.
Yeah, so he wants to go to the one in Stratford, and
See my Stratford soldiers.
And I don't really like that one, to be honest, because I've been there once and I didn't like it. So but I think because of parking we may go there, but we'll see. And I need to return my phone
charge as well.
Yeah, and I need to return my phone. I've got my iPhone 12 Pro, but I don't really like it, so I want to return it. I think I'm going to wait for maybe the 13 to come out, then I'll get a new iPhone. But yeah, I want to return that, but I'm going to return it while we're here, because I just prefer returning things here. But yeah, I'm just wearing this top. I really like it. Like, it's so cute, don't you think? It's cute, isn't it? And what are you wearing?
This jacket
and the t-shirt.
Shit, it's cute, innit?
We've forgotten something, so we're gonna go up to the 20th floor. I think we can go into the lounge, isn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, it's all about the views.
It's all about the views. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys the views because I don't think I recorded the views yesterday. So, just a quick view, because where we're going, I don't think the views are as good as this place. So we're gonna go there. Maybe I should put my mask on.
Yeah.
Ish, you look good.
About to get surgical in this. So what else is at the 20th floor?
The bar, the restaurant, the bar, the pool, everything.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So it'll just be a quick tour.
Quick thing. But an A, I think.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, no, it's B. Let's go to the 20th floor. Yes, so we are in the lift. Hey.
I think today is probably going to be the day we properly vlog.
Yeah, I know.
Because I feel like it's been choppy here and there. I don't actually vlog properly.
Good luck editing it.
Down.
Oh my god, it's warm.
It's warm. I think it's because of the pool in the kitchen.
Yeah. This one. Just extra fridge.
It's the views for me. Apartment where we went yesterday.
Oh yeah, that one there.
Yeah.
Show them.
Yeah, I'm showing them. Just the tallest one here. I think it's actually the tallest one here now. In this place. Yeah, that's what the guy said, yeah. And then he said that they're only in competition, I think, with these guys here.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It looks like they're gonna extend.
It's so high up, like we were literally on the 20 whatever floor, like it was just meant to. But look, the guys have got the doors open. Maybe you get used to it. You know how like they open it up.
I think it's not really getting used to it, but it's more necessity, because if you get really warm.
Yeah, it's like warm up here as well. It's like crazy.
It's very humid.
It's very humid. Oh well, it's nice
yeah,
anyway.
It's nice though. Oh, glass.
The whole thing.
Yeah, just glass.
I think most of it is glass, even when you're in the living room and the bedrooms.
I know, but just have look at that one there. That's not obviously all glass. It probably wouldn't be possible. Very expensive to just have it all glass, because then you need something to hold each floor up. But otherwise, you're gonna have pillars in the middle of the.
And there was pillars in the apartment, in the living room. There's a huge pillar. So I think we'll just go now because we've got still a lot of things to do. So
it's checkout time.
Checkout time. So we're gonna head. I'm gonna return my phone today. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
But it's so nice here.
Why fingers crossed?
No, I think you're right. I think that is LSE.
So London Stock Exchange. And the one behind is HSBC.
I like that building.
Yeah.
That one.
That's also the restaurant, so.
Yeah. Look at the water as well. Guys, I brought David here.
Some romancing.
Yeah, because I wanted to romance him because he's gonna buy me all the cocktails.
At 12 midnight, noon.
But it's so nice. Like, look, it's just beautiful, and you hear all the water. It's like really fancy. So all the guys, see, I told you there's like more circles. So they give you a little circle. So it's a Jubilee Park. It's a Jubilee Park. And it's got circles where you can sit. But imagine when it's really sunny, it must be really, really busy here.
Yeah, it would be.
And then there's a statue. I don't even know what kind of statue that is.
There's like kissing in a weird way.
It's a weird statue, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
This is cool, guys.
I know.
Look at it. So I don't know if this is the bar or the restaurant, but I don't think it matters.
I think this is the bar side, the restaurant where we try to
No, I don't think it matters. It's both.
Well, we could always go. Is it walk-in, yeah?
No, I booked already 12:30.
Oh,
Hi, I've got a table at 12:30. A little,
Is this just the bar, yeah?
Sorry?
Is this just the bar?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, no worries.
Okay.
Do you get the drinks though, even up there?
Yeah,
like you can order the drink. Okay, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, good.
You'll get drunk, like don't. Yeah.
I'm glad we came.
And it's better we came now when it's quiet.
Yeah.
This is nice.
Huh?
When you got tiny legs.
I know. Oh, well, stand on here. How cool is this shop, like with the lights? I like this, look. These are nice too.